class 8 student. Today we will solve exercise 3.1 of the chapter understanding quadrilateral from sum number 3. Previous video we have solved up to sum number 2. Okay. Today that question number 3 is what is the sum of the measure of the angles of a convex quadrilateral? Convex quadrilateral, will this property hold if the quadrilateral is concave? Okay, so we know that the sum of the interior angles of the quadrilateral, that is 360, by following this rule, that is n minus 2 into 180. Put n equal to 4, n means number of sides, n equal to 4, that is 360. Okay, and we know that sum of the, in class 7 we have learned that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is called sum angle property. Using that property, we will prove that sum. That is for now I am taking a convex polygon A, B, C and D, convex polygon. Okay, now I am giving the name angle 1, angle 2. Now if I draw a diagonal, two triangles are created, that is ABD and BCD, and taking this angle 3 and taking this angle 4. This is 5 and this is 6, angle 6. Okay, these are the angles. Now in triangle ABD, angle A plus angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree. By sum angle property, it's a triangle, ABD is a triangle, 1 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 180. And in triangle BDC, angle 2 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 equal to 180 degree. Same using sum angle property, because BCD is a triangle and sum of the angles should be 180 degree. Now adding these two, and student, remember one thing, that any diagonal of a quadrilateral, divide it into two triangles of equal area. Now joining these two, ABD plus BCD, that should be a quadrilateral ABCD, and 1 plus 2, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 and 5 together, it is angle B, and angle 4 and 6, angle 4 and angle 6, it is together angle D. 180 plus 180, 360. Now angle 1 means angle A, angle B means angle 2 means angle B, angle 2 means angle C, angle B and angle D equal to 360. So sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Now in the second part, it is asked that if it is not a convex polygon, then how will you prove it? That is a convex polygon. Now if it is a concave polygon means if one interior angle is more than 180. So taking A, B, C, D. ABCD is a quadrilateral. This angle is more than 180, so it is a concave polygon. Now draw a diagonal. Draw a diagonal. So for triangle, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, angle B, that is given 1, this angle given 2, this angle given 3. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. By sum angle property, sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and using triangle AB, this is given as 1. ABC, triangle ABC, angle, this is I am taking 2, 4 and 5. Angle 2 plus, sorry, angle 2 is taken there. Angle 1, 2, 3, 4, that should be taken 6. Angle 4 plus angle 6 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. Now adding these two, angle 1 plus angle 1 and angle 2 and 5. If I add 2 and 5 both, then it is angle A. 3 and 4. Angle 3 and 4 together, it is angle C. And angle, remaining angle is angle 6 equal to 180 plus 180, that is 360. Angle 1 means angle B, angle A, angle C, and angle D. 6 means angle D, that equal to 360. If it is a convex concave polygon, also in that condition we can prove that sum of the interior angles of a convex concave polygon is 360 degree. Okay. Moving to the question number 4. Question number 4. If number of sides equal to 7, if number of sides equal to 7, what will be the sum of the interior angle? We use that formula, that is 1 n minus 2 into 180 degree. N minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay, sorry. N minus 2 into 180 degree means n means 7, 7 minus 2 equal to 180. So 7 minus 2, that is 5, 5 into 180 degree, that is 900. So 7 means, that is, put n equal to 7, 7 minus 2, 5, 5. If n equal to 8, n equal to 8, that is 6, so it will be 1080 degree. Sum of the interior angle should be 1080. And last, if n equal to 10, so sum of the interior angles n minus 2 into 180, that is n minus 2 into 180, that is 10 minus 1 equal to 180, sorry 2, that is 18 into 180. That is 1440 degree. 1440 degree. That is the sum of the interior angle for the sides n equal to 10. N equal to 10 means that polygon is called decagon. Okay. Now, question number 5. Question number 5. That what is a regular polygon? Polygon. First of all, what is polygon? Polygon means a polygon, a simple closed curve made of 9 segments. And regular means if length of the sides of the polygon all are equal as well as angles. If all the interior angles are equal, then it is called regular polygon. So regular polygon means all sides should be equal and all angles should be equal in measure. So first of all, if it has 3 sides, 3 sides of a regular polygon, that is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. And if it has side 4 side, we know that all the angles in equilateral triangle, that is 60 degree, and all sides are equal. 4 sides, regular polygon, that is square. Square means all angles are 90 degree and all sides are equal. And 6 sides, that is hexagon, regular hexagon. It is called regular hexagon. Okay. So student, in the next video we will start from question number 6. And student, I am telling you that be regular in ePortal. If you have any doubt, ask me in ePortal and homework. And homework should be submitted in ePortal regular. Till then, stay at home and keep watching all the videos of BMS. Thank you.